Wine was him, YouTube. It's your boy Duley's Customs back at it with another one. And it's like 3:01, 3:02 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Like, I'm sweating bricks, you feel me? What's him? What is him? What that's? Um, this video here is me doing something else to MaxxBoogie that I said I was gonna do earlier in my videos. I already did one thing. Y'all can probably kind of tell already, but if not, don't worry about it. But right now, this is what I'm doing. I got this here bust down. Woo. Got the old radio out, and here is the new radio. I hate Kenwood, but I got this one here for a steal. So right now, I just got this back in the original housing. That's what I like about the old school Maxxman, because it was already doubled in and ready. So it was an easy swap out, you feel me? Here go all these wires and stuff. Once I get all that done, then I gotta wire all that up to all that, then put everything back in and connect everything back, you feel me? And it'll be lights, camera, action from that point forward. But before I can even move on, I gotta get this here connected to make sure all my speakers are A1, because to me, with whoever wired up the old radio, whoever wired up the old one, to me the speakers sounded a little bit off. So I'm gonna check on myself to make sure they good. And y'all know what's happening, man. I'm not gonna take up too much time, y'all time. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing right now, you feel me? At 3:01 a.m. and then I'm gonna have another video of the finished product once everything is set in and all that stuff done, man. But I gotta get back to work because I'm killing time, and I'm tired of killing time. I just want to get this done, get it over with, you feel me, and get on with my day. So y'all know the motto, man. Take the good with the bad, the bitter with the sweet, the ups with the downs, haul ass on all feet, mash on concrete. Every day remain the same, be humble, prosper, gang, you hear me? Embrace them struggles so you can join the future endeavors, you feel me? And I'm out. Fight, probably click, huh? Duley.